example 4 and 15 and 31. Okay, example 4 is, okay, Bill got a fish. Then, 1/5 is dead, so 4/5 is alive. Then, later on, okay, 3/8 is dead, okay? So, actual leftover, 3/8 of 4/5 is alive. Alive was dead. So, actual asking is what portion of a fish is alive right now. Thing is, let me see this a little bit more clear. Okay, so 4/5 is alive. Then 3/8 is dead. So leftover is 5/8 still alive. So we have to find out what is an actual of this. So that is 5/8 of 4/5 is still alive. So once you calculate this, half is still alive. Okay. Okay. Next one is, okay, number 15. 15 is by mistake here he had to times 100, but unfortunately divide by 1,000, so that number is y. So he wanted recuperating back to normal. So have to be y times 1,000 is back to x again. Then original plan was from here have to times 1,000 again. So we have to do 1,000 again. So total have to be 1,000 first time, another 1,000 this time. So total is x2, x times 10 to 6 power. You have to do it. Okay. Then next one is this one. Okay. Number 31 is, hold on a second. Okay, in Centennial High School, okay, on the day absent is 1/12. Then student at school is 11/12. Then 1/5 will on a trip. So we have to figure it out. What is the actual portion of this is? 1/5 times 11/12. So actually 11/60 is on trip right now. So total 1 minus 1/12 minus 11/16. So that is 44/16. and this is a more simple version, is simplified 11 over 15. So 11 over 15 is now now staying at school. That student was 11 over 15 over total student 704. So student is 960 student on the school, total student. Okay. This kind of things, something over something, you have to find a real portion of this by multiplying this one. Okay. Okay, let me see, little tricky one. Okay, 1 pen no, I'm sorry, 3 pen. Let me see, let me make a little closer. Okay, 3 pen cost $1, then suddenly they change the price, 5 pen for $1.95. So what percent increase? That is the question. So we are very familiar with how much 1 pen costs. Okay, from here we're gonna divide by 3 over there. So 1 pen costed 33 cents in one ending number. This one is 1 pen cost exactly $0.39, but problem is this one we cannot figure it out exactly. So another trick is, this is okay, but another trick is, this is a good trick, I like this one. So we're gonna times 15 each side, then times 15 is, this one will be, okay, 15 divided by 3 is 5, right? So $5, 1 pen. This one also 15 divided by, we're gonna have 15 each side. That's okay. Okay, because math is equal opportunity. You're gonna 15 times over there, 15 times over is the same, trigonometrical. So 15 divided by 3 is 3, right? Then 3 times 195 is 585. So once you look at this, 1 pen costs $5, 1 pen costs $580. Very simple, expression. Then we can figure it out. Initial price plus what percent of original 5, then come up to 585. So we have to find the question point. Question is 5 plus question right there, percentage value 1 over 100, this is 5, equal 585. Okay, so question, once you figure it out, 17. So 17%. Trick is this one, you have to times 15 each side. This is a good trick. I like this one very much. Also, next one is this one. This also a good trick, kind of refreshing, widening your knowledge. 98 to 98 power plus 99 to 90 power. 99 power, is it greater or less than 100 over 100 power? Okay, we can figure it out little by little. Kind of, we call it squeeze theory. Calculus, we can have this kind of method to squeeze it, find out what is it close value, not exactly close. So this one is, I'm gonna rewrite this part over there. Then this should be less than 99 to 99 power plus 99 to 99 power, correct? Because this one is less than this. So this one we can write more simple. There's a 2 times 99 to 99 power, right? Then this is gonna be less than 99 times 99 power, right? This is 2, this is 9. So should be this part is much greater than this. Okay, we can change this one right there. This one is this, right? This one is this. But we're gonna use the exponential property. So this one is, I just rewrite it. This one is this one, 99 to 100 power, right? So this gonna be less than, this gonna be less than 100 to 100, right? Yes. So 98 to 98 power plus 99 times 100 power is less than 100 to 100 power. Okay, that's good trick. Okay, We're gonna do a little vocabulary. 오케이, delayed. 이 delayed는 이렇게 이렇게 넓어진다는 뜻이에요. 이렇게 부풀다 delayed. dilute. dilute는 solution을 생각하면 solute. dilute 그러면 wash하다, 약해지다 그런 뜻입니다. 그 다음에 elate는 exalt 이렇게 올라오는 거, 이렇게 기운이 넘치는 거 elate라고 그래요. 오케이, declivity는 D는 다운의 뜻이에요. 그래서 acceleration, deceleration 다 여기서 나온 건 D. clivity는 cline의 이게 경사. 그래서 declivity는 downhill. 그 다음에 acclivity 이거는 acceleration up이라는 뜻이에요. acceleration에서 아마 acclivity는 uphill 이렇게 된다는 겁니다. volatile 이거는 외우셔야 될 것 같아요. 이건 별로 특별히 이렇게 그런 게 없는 것 같아요. 이거 fly의 뜻이에요. volatile. 그래서 fleeting, 잘 변한다. volatile, 이거 변한다 그런 뜻이에요. 이거는 volition. 이 volition은 will이라는 뜻이에요. 뜻은 이거랑 루트는 틀린데 이건 volunteer. 이거 will하고 똑같은 거예요. volunteer. 내 의지에서 한다. 그런 뜻이에요. 그래서 volition, volunteer 같이 외우면 괜찮겠어요. 같은 뜻이니까. 그러면 voluntary. 이거 형용사고. 그 다음에 valor는 이게 value에서는 나온 말이에요. value. 이거는 아주 용감한 거 그런 거를 valor라고 그래요. valor. 그 다음에 cowardice. 이거는 그런 말은 하지만 소처럼 이렇게 겁이 많다 그런 뜻으로 생각하시면 되겠습니다. 그 다음에 coward. 이거는 동사로 쓰기도 하고 명사로 형용사로 쓰기도 해요. 그 다음에 supplant는 replace 한다는 뜻이에요. plant 이렇게 나무를 심다 빼다. supplant, replace. 그러니까 implant랑 거의 비슷하다고 생각하면 돼요. 그 다음에 judicious는 judge 같이 신중하게 결정한다 그런 뜻이에요. judicious. 오케이? Thank you.